How you guys doing? So we're gonna be doing a little recap today on today's trade. It was a little bit choppy, which is obviously very normal since hey, it's still kind of early to start trading just before the new year. As you can see, we ended up getting stopped out right at break even. So let's just pull price back a little bit. Where is it? Right here. Start new. And I took the trade right over here. Okay, so 15-minute time frame. What do we have? So on the 15-minute, we had this SMT. As you can see, here we're making a decline in price. Over here, we're making an incline, which is a SMT divergence. Smart money concepts. Then what do I see? I see a fair value gap getting put in place. So now we're having our hard time in confluence. We have an SMT and a fair value gap. We know where price is going to go. We know where price is going to go. So we go down to the 1 minute. Do we see anything? Hell no. Price is chopped just like your girl. Anyways, I'm joking. But honestly, price was so shit. Anyways, what do we see? Up here, we had a manipulation leg. Very nice, right? Then we had a market structure shift potential. It wasn't confirmed because we just wicked it over here. But what did we actually have? We had a inversion fair value gap right over here. Second, we saw this inversion fair value gap. We ended up taking a little jab and taking an entry. I can't put stop loss and take profit. I guess not. Okay. I was just making sure this is not on a live, like my actual like XFAs. So ended up taking a trade over here. Took a standard deviation from the highs to the lows, and I was looking literally just to target a -1 in and out quick, right? Well, that wasn't the case. Bro, we ended up making our next candle right over here. We rejected. Then we had that push lower. Second, I saw this push lower and we tapped right into that market structure shift. I wasn't crazy about keeping the position. Reason for that, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 times we rejected off of this market structure shift. And that's a 4th time. We got stopped at a break even. I'm not even mad, honestly. We ended up having a little push lower and then a freaking fat rejection. So that break even trade was very smart because, bro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections. Oh my. If you're getting 5 rejections off a market structure shift, get the fuck out the trade. Simple as that. Simple as that. Get the fuck out the trade. So I went to break even. I said, hey, if we can make some money, we make some money. If we don't, then we don't. And that's what happened in this case. So we ended up getting stopped out. It is what it is. A little bit chopped price, but hey, what can you do? At the end of the day, we didn't make anything. We didn't lose anything. So that is going to be that for today. I hope this video made sense. And yeah, so I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.